for questions 6 through 8, we're going to use this chart that we have here. We've got what the customers ordered and what they received in the mail. So question 6 says, is the relationship between the items ordered and the items delivered, which is what was received, a function? And then it says, if yes, explain why. If no, what would need to be changed? So what we're looking for is that if somebody ordered something, they got one item. They didn't get two different items, or could have gotten two different items. So here, if they ordered a life jacket, they got a life jacket. If they ordered a pair of scissors, they got a pair of scissors. If they ordered a PlayStation, they got an ink pen. So I'm sure they're really disappointed in that. If they ordered a baseball glove, they got a baseball glove. And if they ordered rubber bands, they got a women's shirt. So they got a really good deal. They didn't get ripped off. All right, so we know it's a function because we didn't say that if I ordered a pair of scissors, I got a baseball glove or a pair of scissors in any of these situations. So each one is different. So we're going to say, yes, it's a function. And the reason is because every input has exactly one output. That's kind of your standard statement when it's a function. Okay? So I'm going to say because every input has exactly one output. And your input is your domain, it's your independent variable, it's your input, and then your output is your range or your dependent variable. So here when it's saying what is your domain, it's not wanting what's the variable. The variable is what the customer ordered. What it wants is what did they order? And so we're going to have to write all of these out. Now if you want to abbreviate, I'm fine with that, and I'm sure your teachers will be fine with that also. So I'm just going to put LJ, I'm going to put PS for pair of scissors, and then I'm going to put PSG, PlayStation game, and then baseball glove, BG, and then rubber bands, RB. And I'm going to put those inside those braces. And then your range is your output. Again, it's the dependent variable, but it's not asking you what it is. It wants to know what those items are. So we're going to list these, right? A lot of them are the same. So LJ, BG, women's shirt, WS, PS for pair of scissors, and then IP. Okay, so I remember when we took this test before, several students missed these because they didn't list them out. They just wrote the domain was what they ordered and the range was what they received. Right? That's not what it's asking for here. If it wanted that, it would say what's the independent, that's what they ordered, what's the dependent, what they received. So domain is wanting the specific items, range is wanting the specific items.